Hey everyone, today we're diving into JP Morgan self-directed investing. If you're new to investing or looking for an easy-to-use platform, this could be the one for you. Let's break down the pros, cons, and how it stacks up against other brokers. JP Morgan self-directed investing is a platform designed for those who want to manage their own investments without paying commissions. It's especially appealing for existing Chase customers because the app integrates seamlessly with other Chase accounts. The platform charges no commissions and has no account minimums, making it accessible for beginners. One of the major advantages is the commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs. The platform is user-friendly, which is perfect for those new to investing. Additionally, the app connects all Chase accounts, allowing users to view their checking, savings, and investment accounts in one place. Another great feature is the in-person customer support available at Chase branches, which can be incredibly helpful for those who prefer face-to-face assistance. Despite its benefits, there are some downsides to JP Morgan self-directed investing. The platform has limited tools and research options compared to other brokers. While it does provide data from high-quality sources like Morningstar and CFRA, it lacks a wide selection of third-party research providers. Another limitation is the Portfolio Builder tool, which requires a minimum balance of $2,500. Additionally, the interest rate on uninvested cash is quite low at 0.01%. When comparing JP Morgan self-directed investing to brokers like Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and Interactive Brokers, there are some notable differences. While all these platforms offer commission-free trading and have no account minimums, JP Morgan stands out for its integration with Chase accounts and in-person support. However, other brokers might offer more robust research tools and higher interest rates on uninvested cash. The platform has several key features that make it attractive to investors. It offers commission-free stock trading and options trading with a $0.65 per contract fee. There are no annual or inactivity fees, although there is a $75 fee for full account transfers. Users can trade a variety of securities, including stocks, ETFs, options, bonds, and mutual funds, with some fractional shares available for a minimum of $5. The user experience on JP Morgan self-directed investing is generally smooth. Existing Chase customers can access their investment accounts through the Chase mobile app, which also supports other Chase financial products. The app is highly rated and available for both iOS and Android. It allows users to trade, access charting tools, screeners, JP Morgan research, and more. While the platform provides access to Morningstar analysis and CFRA reports, it may not be sufficient for more experienced investors who need comprehensive research tools. The number of third-party research providers is limited compared to other brokers. JP Morgan offers various customer support options. Users can contact support via email, phone, and social media. In-person support is also available at Chase branches. The availability of in-person meetings is a significant advantage for those who prefer face-to-face interactions. JP Morgan self-directed investing also offers Roth and traditional IRAs. These accounts provide significant tax benefits and can be used alongside other brokerage accounts or employer retirement plans like a 401k. The platform's Portfolio Builder feature is beneficial for guiding investment decisions within IRAs, although it requires a balance of $2,500. JP Morgan self-directed investing is a solid choice for beginners who want to learn how to trade and build their portfolios. It's especially beneficial for existing Chase customers due to its integration with other Chase accounts. However, more experienced investors might find the limited tools and low interest rates on uninvested cash to be drawbacks. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.